Hi, this is Shahid Kapoor and you're watching me only on Bollywood Hungama.
गुस्से से बोलेगी तो नहीं जाऊंगा, प्यार से बोलेगी मर भी जाऊंगा, मतलब nothing, it can't get more filmy than that. I'm going, I think it's going to work like big time in the theaters. वो राजकुमार सीटियां वीटियां जो भी हैं उस तरीके से मर भी जाऊं।
राजकुमार का कैरेक्टर ऐसा ही है, वो एक बार प्यार कर लेता है तो उसके बाद कुछ भी करने को तैयार है, वो प्यार के लिए कुछ भी कर सकता है। मतलब जो लाइंस आप प्रोमो में सुन रहे हैं, they are just, every scene in the film justifies that, the attitude of the character from the first scene, how he is otherwise. Rajkumar's character is a guy of the street, he's a mawali. उसको कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता उसको कोई क्या बोलता है, उसको जो करना है वो वही करता है, वो किसी से नहीं डरता है, he doesn't care a shit about anybody, he doesn't have a family. लेकिन जब उसको लड़की दिखती है तो he completely transforms.
Like सोनाक्षी.
हाँ, obviously जैसी उसको सोनाक्षी दिखती है, he becomes another person altogether. मतलब प्यार के चक्कर में, और ये मैंने काफी बार देखा है, बहुत सारे जो थोड़े वो डूड टाइप के लड़के होते हैं ना, लड़की देखते एकदम ऐसे हो जाते हैं जैसे पता नहीं, मतलब you know what I'm saying? I've seen this happen in college. तुझे नहीं पता। मतलब मैंने कॉलेज में देखा है और मैंने हमेशा ये ऑब्जर्व किया है कि जो अल्फा मेल टाइप के लड़के होते हैं ना, जो मतलब अपना अग्रेशन और अपनी पावर और अपने उससे डरा के रखते हैं सबको, लड़कियों के सामने सबसे ज्यादा फुसकी वही हो जाते हैं। तो राजकुमार बिल्कुल वैसा ही है, वो लड़की के सामने एकदम ट्रांसफॉर्म हो जाता है, वो सब भूल जाता है। So yeah, so that's the character and that's the relationship.
Okay, Heather, you've started shooting for it. How's the experience?
Amazing, amazing. I feel very nostalgic whenever I started shooting. But पहले एक दो दिन मेरी थोड़ी हालत टाइट थी because I went from R. Rajkumar to Heather, which is two opposite, totally opposite spectrums of sensibility or of how Vishal sir conceives and thinks of his characters to how Prabhu sir thinks and conceives of his characters. तो पहले एक दो दिन मैं विशाल सर को बोलता रहता था, सर अगर मैं आपको आर राजकुमार वाला एक्सप्रेशन दे दूँ तो मुझे बता देना. And he used to keep laughing about it. But it's been amazing. I think you know it's going to be a very very different film for me, and it's a very very fresh, new, interesting adaptation of Hamlet. It's a very challenging role. I think the cast of the film is very, very good.
Right. Shraddha Kapoor and
there's
Irfan
Shraddha,
Khan.
there's Irfan, there's Tabu, there's KK.
Tabu, yeah, Tabu.
So the cast of the film is extremely good, and I'm working with some really good actors. And all the characters in the film are very, very well etched out. Sorry. So it's an amazing experience. I mean, I'm working with Vishal sir after Kamine. It's a very different role and a very different
and you're going bald for a certain sequence as
yeah, well. I don't know, आधे इंच के 1 इंच के बाल होंगे या नहीं होंगे या क्या होगा?
गजनी टाइप होगा, आमिर के कैसा होगा, क्या होगा?
नहीं, अलग है यार. I mean, I can't give you too many details, but it's a very different look from Gajni. It will not be like Gajni at all.
And I believe there was some protests recently when you guys are shooting in
I also
Kashmir
read it.
University.
मैं तो काफी दिन पहले आ गया था. I also read the same thing in the news today. मुझे उसके details पता नहीं है. मैंने भी आज ही आया था ना कुछ.
I think so, yeah.
कुछ किसी college campus के अंदर ऐसा कुछ. I also read that today only, and I actually got back about 8-9 days back because I started promoting.
The shoot is still continuing over there.
Yeah, and while I was there were no issues. It's gone very well, and in fact, this is what we were discussing, that we have such a beautiful place called Kashmir, which is so close to us, and it's more beautiful than any foreign country that I visited.
Absolutely.
It's absolutely stunning. And the people were very nice. I think the way we were treated was very good. The government has been very helpful. So I had a great time working out there. अभी ये जो आया, honestly, मैंने भी आज ही पढ़ा है, so I don't know what the reason is or what happened or exactly.
Any tentative idea when it's going to be releasing?
Heather?
Yeah.
I think it will be in the second half of next year. I don't think it will, because we'll be shooting only till about March. So I think July August से पहले तो नहीं.